And of course, we're following the bearish bear flag. Of course, it's a bear flag because it's a bearish bear flag. There's no bullish bear flag. It's just a bearish bear flag. Without further ado, I'm of course the most open-minded investor / NFT artist on YouTube.
With a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, technical and specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends. And last, as a believer of Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean, but with hair naturally curlier than the average male and highly coveted by many moms with daughters, also known as Humble Kim.
And today, this is the most textbook bearish bear flag that we're looking at right now. In the short term, our price target for Bitcoin is at $19,000 or in the high $18,000. And of course, today we can't not talk about copy trades. Man, what a crazy scene I'm looking at on copy trades right now. There is just so much going on. All these full people have come back, and you know, all these people that used to be full now is like they're available now. I'm guessing a lot of you got liquidated, but there's all these people that are becoming full again because some of them had some great wins. And I wouldn't call it, I don't want to use the words like all reliable because nothing is all reliable in this market right now. But looks like Ethan, this is just a fresh account I've got going on. Ethan right now has been doing reasonably well. Although it did gain to new highs, it did dip below, but it looks like it's picking back up again. Looking at some of its active orders right now, we are looking at some pretty positive returns, which is exciting to see with no extra copy trades that we're seeing right now, keeping its books pretty clean. So Ethan has been doing reasonably well. Some of the other traders that we've been following right now let's have a look. Is Origin. Origin right now is struggling a little bit. Although, I don't know. Could this be a genius move? Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. But they've actually switched their trading. So they used to be in the longs. Man, look how deep in the reds they are. They're 1,700% in the reds. And the positions just keep adding on, which is just very discouraging to see. Almost 3 pages worth of trades, and that is really, really disappointing to see that such big red numbers coming in from Origin right now. Although we have seen that Origin has already switched their trading into the short strategy, and there has been some gains put in, but definitely not as much as it is losing right now. For us to actually go anywhere near these levels here, we'd have to see Bitcoin rise up to $31,000, and that would be just breaking even, and that is definitely a little bit worrying to see indeed. So let's see how Origin holds up. Their total income is still sort of trending upwards still, but it is definitely a worrying time for Origin followers right now. Although if prices were to come back, and it doesn't really look like it, maybe this is a fake out, who knows, we don't know. Maybe there's some extra information Origin is holding, we don't know. Origin has otherwise been a pretty good account to follow, but we're finding that there are some issues that we're facing here right now. Origin used to just get up at 2 a.m. around my time, and they would, make 4 trades, and they were all winning, 50-60% trades. But it looks like the market isn't as forgiving right now. Not to mention, Origin actually did guess that first dip. So when Bitcoin did this, Origin was able to capitalize on that quite well, which was very, very encouraging to see, but maybe not on this one. Now, so that's okay. Obviously, you guys have been following your own traders. If you want me to review any other traders, please do let me know. We are seeing some of the traders flip out on other traders as well. Some traders are doing better than others. The ones that we didn't expect, they're coming back in. Now, I've also realized that copy trading is now available on Bybit as well. As you know, Bybit is a friend to our channel. And so if you'd like to get started with copy trading on Bybit, then I'll be doing some reviews. Obviously, copy trading, the strategy is to follow the best trader out there. So we need to make sure it's about who we follow, not necessarily about, how many we follow or, what kind of strategies we got. At the end of the day, if the trader that we follow is a good, professional, well-adjusted, non-emotional, rational, technical trader, then, even if there are losses, those will be minimized, and it's just about managing those risks. So I know a lot of you like to copy trade because we're all lazy buggers, but that's okay. There is a wider set of traders because we know that Bybit is a much bigger exchange than Bitget. Let's actually do some reviews on some of these returns. Now, if you are interested in doing this, where you probably won't be able to copy the traders straight away. So what I need you to do is go to the website and press on some of these buttons here, press copy or any of these profiles here, and it'll come up with a line saying that, hey, if you'd like to copy trades, yeah, make sure you register your interest. Make sure to click around and a window will pop up, and from there you'll be able to register to become a trader. They will choose 5,000 new copy traders to come in so that you can start copying some of their trades. So I'll be doing a review on this one. So if you haven't done so, make sure you go register. It's available in the link in the description below with a Bybit link that I'm pushing out there. You can enjoy some benefits by clicking on that link, certain bonuses. I'll let you explore all that. It's a lot of fun. So make sure you hop in there. And if you'd like me to review any of these traders, let me know. Looks like there is quite a lot of information that's available. Obviously, it's not as graphy as you'd like we have in Bitget, but we do see the past trades and the current open copy trades that we're seeing right now. So let's keep an eye on this one. If you'd like me to do a review on this one, make sure you let me know. Any specific traders that you'd like me to review, please leave in the comments below as well. And I will be with you in terms of my take on whether I think they are good traders for myself or not. Obviously, everyone's account sizes are different, so make sure that you understand the risk associated with copy trading. Your account size needs to be large enough to actually weather damage or any kind of drawdowns that may come with futures trading, which there usually is quite a lot of. So make sure you watch out for those liquidation moments. And of course, with that being said, be careful out there, guys. It's a crazy time right now, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.